Deepfakes aren't just science fiction anymore. They're a very real threat to democracy. And in the lead-up to Singapore's next general election, the government has just dropped a legislative bombshell to make sure the truth isn't digitally distorted. Welcome back to 2230. Singapore is preparing for GE2025 with a major new rule. Publishing deepfakes or manipulated online content targeting political candidates is now illegal. This bold move aims to protect the integrity of elections and prevent misinformation from warping public perception at a critical time. But how exactly will this law work? And what does it mean for voters, political parties, and content creators? Let's dive in. The new legislation falls under an update to the Parliamentary Elections Act. Specifically, Section 61MA makes it a criminal offense to publish digitally altered content that falsely portrays a candidate saying or doing something they didn't. The law applies the moment the writ of election is issued, right up until polling closes. That covers nomination day, rallies, and even cooling-off day. In practical terms, this means that AI-generated videos, voice clones, or altered photos meant to mislead voters about a candidate's actions or statements could land you in serious legal trouble. The law is aimed squarely at defending truth in politics, especially as AI tools become more accessible and sophisticated. This move comes after a recent scare involving a deepfake of former President Halima Yacob. That video, which falsely depicted her criticizing the government, prompted her to file a police report. And it raised serious questions about how fake content could undermine trust during an election. Singapore's Minister for Digital Development and Information, Josephine, has called this a calibrated approach to defending truth while balancing freedom of expression. She stressed the need to ensure that voters can trust what they see and hear during a campaign. So what does this mean for you? Whether you're a voter, a digital creator, or just someone who shares content online, the key takeaway is simple. Verify before you amplify. With elections around the corner, sharing manipulated media, even unknowingly, could carry legal consequences. What do you think? Is Singapore setting a global standard in fighting AI-generated misinformation? Or does this raise concerns about censorship in the digital age? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to 2230 for more breakdowns on what's really shaping our world.